Hello everyone, my name is Jalen Mehul Kumar Panara from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Shaibagh, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So here is my prototype. It is not working because of this solenoid cannot be made it in real life because it is so costly and not a budget friendly for small models. But we can use it at a higher cost or for making a big model. So here is my prototype. I use a solenoid and a chamber coiled with the wire so we can easily develop a electromagnetic field, and through that on the surface of Mars. Why I choose Mars? Because at the Mars the atmospheric pressure and the atmospheric field, or we can say the atmosphere, was very thin, so we cannot use an aeroplane for traveling on the Mars. So how can we go here to there on Mars? So here is my prototype where the rocket use the electromagnetic field and goes upward direction with the help of electromagnetic field, and also when it reaches the orbit and moves around the orbit and reaches the destination, we can put it vertically at the orbital, and the both of the engine starts and it landed on the Mars surface easily with the help of these landers and the shock absorber that helps in clearly to protect ourselves by traveling on the chamber. And this chamber is made up of an insulator, a thin insulator, to preserve the humans inside it and to not conduct the electricity on this. And we are using a solar because we can't transport so much fuel at the Mars. So I use the solar system, that the solar rays, and we can convert the solar rays into electrical energy. And also the 1 day of Mars is around 24 hours 39 minutes and 35 seconds, and gravitational force is 38% less than Earth. So it is also a plus point for our product, and this design will work as first in India because Russia, China and Elon Musk uses this design, but they are failed many a times. But India will use it and go to the Mars and live it and travel it. And we have to reach at 150 or 180 kilometers from the surface of Mars. And I think that 160 kilometers is better for this prototype, and it works like satellite. And that's how the design of Marso is ready. You can see it is going upward, and when we reach the destination it will vertically settle like this at the orbital, and the engine, both the engine starts working, and we can land on the surface of Mars. Thank you.